Let's begin now.
Are you ready to get ratchet? This is a 30-minute ratchet ride. Explicit. So fun. We're going to start in the saddle right here, right of our left leg. We're going to get our mind right. Okay, hands at first. Here we go, punch it down, elbows in. You tell yourself you're going to have a good day. You are definitely off to a much better start. Obliques right, left squeeze right, left. Good. Keep your shoulders down your back. Okay, now option to lift, otherwise you're going to stay in the saddle. Have a seat. Lift. I want you to feel lifted. Okay, elevated. Hold it down right here. Add a little more resistance. Your knees are pointing straight ahead. You got a cute little smile on your face. Good. Hands at first. We're crunching. So really get low with this so that you activate the triceps. Now we've got oblique side body squeeze right, left, and then you're pointing your elbow right towards your belly button. Yeah. That's it. Okay, lift for 4, go. I had a rider tell me that after I played this in class, she decided that she was gonna take her kids to class, to school, and play the song, just to get their mind right. I thought it was super cute, and instead of saying, hold down, instead of saying we're not gonna die today, she says, we're not gonna cry today. That's what the lyrics are, drop it down. So, no crying today. There's no crying in ratchet rides. Maybe on a hill. Obliques. Oh, it cracks me up. Good, lift up. Keep your ass back.
The children say, take the day off, hit the park and just hang. Barbecue, roll a few, and put out the juice.
Little less bounce, a little more hustle.
It's time to change our ways so we can save the day for the children's sake and make the better place to play.
Hey.
If it's all good, I got your coupe and grip your wood. And if you're riding dirty like a slip and blow you, but do it real big, exactly like a player.
Land gently.
Do your thing to rip your hood.
And remember, anything I say, it's just a suggestion. Let's crunch. So you want to bypass crunches, upper body, you can. Good. Oblique squeeze right, left. Here we go. And I know I've said this a million times, but this is the reason why I love teaching on a bike, because everybody can modify. Okay? Close your eyes, and I want for you to envision how you look and how you feel at the end of this ride. Okay? And whenever you feel distracted or like you want to bail, close your eyes, go back to that feeling, that really good feeling, because we're gonna have a good ride. You ready? Fucking turn up. Oh my God, this is great. We're gonna have so much fun with this. Okay, here we go. Right, left, 75 RPMs. So rather than being weak, rather than being the victim and taking the easy route, we're actually gonna make this heavier, okay? You gotta tap back press. Arms are tight. Double up 2. Good. Now double tap back with a body roll. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 back. Yeah. I like it. Hold it.
But can't you see that I need a girl that can move?
Level up.
And look just like you.
Your arms are long. Little bend in the elbows.
It's crowded. It's kind of hard to do your thing when everyone's surrounded. So let me form a circle. Everybody.
We're going again.
I heard somebody yell. Savage with the chorus down. Oh shit. That's my movie like this shit.
Come on, take up the space. Double up.
Oh shit.
you're like, I can't do that. And then there are people who literally make the bike a pole. Let yourself go. Okay? Maybe, you know, if you're in a gym, it might be a little bit different. But I want for you to be uninhibited. Whip your hair around. Come on. Body roll. Hey. That's it. Last one. Hold it. Okay, turn it up. We're getting breathless. That's sexy. Pull your knees up towards your heart. Your booty should be on fire. Okay, we're targeting that underbutt by pressing our hips back. Here we go. Doubles. Roll it through. Hold it. I used to teach in a place where I got in trouble for doing that move. It's so freeing to be able to do what I want here. I love you guys. Oh, it's so good. Hips back. Hold it. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Okay. More resistance. Left leg. Here we go. Left. There it is. Corners back. Take a deep breath in. Push your pace. Yes! Come on. This is where the action is. High intensity intervals. Make them intense. On the beat. Right or left. Don't sweat it. Good. Push-ups down the middle. Baby, drop in the saddle. Run it with me. Let's go. No hands. Should feel like you're running uphill without a doubt. Breathe in heavy. Feeling a little nauseous. You're doing it right. Keep going. Yeah. You got that space within here. You just gotta tap into it. 3, 2, stand up on the beat. Let's go. Take a couple deep breaths. Reset your form. Okay, lengthen your spine. Take a deep breath in. Corners, back, left. Here we go. So I really want you to take that from your shoulders to your hips, so that your shoulders and your hips are moving in unison. Push. Yep. Come on, pull up. Pull that good energy. Pull it up to your heart. 4, 3, 2, back bar, no bounce, hold.
No hands and no darling, I don't dance, and I'm with Roscoe, I'm with Walker, I think I deserve
You gotta have the resistance. Keep it going. 4, 3, 2, sit down. Just breathe. Oh man, that's so pause. Okay, in the saddle push. 4, 3, 2. Light it up, come on. Let's add more resistance. Remember, you don't need my permission. You're ready for more, you add it whenever you need it. Stand up, pull your push. Yes! party. Back left. Keep those elbows in. Your hands are light. Yeah. Pull it back, hold.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh.
Okay, we're going again.
Yeah.
4, 3, drop it down, push, go.
Look at me now.
Ow.
Look at me now. Oh.
Think about your last successful moment and how you felt. Okay? Connect with that feeling. Motherfucker.
Yellow model cheese.
Oh.
Yellow bottle sipping.
Hey.
Yellow Lamborghini.
Keep it going. Pull up, kicks over. Yes.
Yeah.
Fight for it.
Look like the toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days.
Slow it down.
Sorry, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off. Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors.
Hey, corners.
Look at me now.
Oh.
Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh.
3,
Look at me now. Yeah.
2, on the saddle, push, breathe.
Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting
Have a seat, push.
Look at me now.
Faster.
Oh. Look
Turn
at
it
me
up.
now. Yeah.
What?
Fresh.
Stand up, keep your push. Good, breathe. 4, 3, 2, sit down, push, go. Push your butt all the way back. Work the entire circle. Last part, stand up. Don't you slow down on me. I see you. Come on. I care about your effort. Go, 4, 3, 2, have a seat, peel it back.
Friends in the mom head, bro.
Right or left?
Can't do the cry, baby. She ain't gave me nothing pussy in a while. She had to put weight, now I'm mind waiting up. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah, want me keep on my diamonds and sex?
Water.
What's your name?
Towel. Take what you need.
Neck, go. Ash.
Right, center, left, go.
She got her hands on her knees with her ass in the air. Yeah, look at you, player. If a bird ain't around her,
Their box jumps. 8 counts. Second.
What a nigga got to do
4,
for them,
3, 2, reach out.
Everything through it there here so good, I said, fuck it, I ain't using no rubber. But she made that ass bounce like I love her. Got that ass in that mouth from my mother. Type of
Seat.
make man, you in trouble. NBA playoffs, that ass, this is bubble.
Hit it.
Come
4. Reach. Back it up.
Hands in the mom head, go. Lay down on the bed,
Hold.
cry, baby. Oh.
4 again.
You done that pussy in a while. She had to put weight, now I'm mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah, want me keep on my diamonds and sex? What's your name?
Real hot girl shit. Lay on my stomach to the up, to the crowd, baby. Grip that, hold it up and down, he annihilated. Like a bitch when he hit this pussy. Damn, you probably wanna wear my hood. Choke the stank, looking at the thing. Hell, I think it's cool, another nigga here.
Breathe.
Flirt, giving that work. Feel cute, man.
Hold down, you crunch.
Deeper, I need a break. I was in trouble, how you tearing them cheeks up. Keeping you a freak, who the flavor of the week.
Try, stay with me. We're going again. We start with 8, 4, 3, hands a second. Go.
Don't fuck me like that. Fuck me like this. Yeah. Prison is behavior. Her brother's little hoe, he a crybaby.
Back it up.
Hit the pussy by now, then that nigga lame if he's still waiting. I ain't even save your number. So y'all can reply to little text.
4.
Cry about the pussy. Probably why shit
Hold
like
it.
this.
Sorry. Have a seat. Ooh, that was a little rough on the end. But we did it. We made it through. You're probably pissed. I fully own that. That was my screw up, and I'm sorry. I know you're trying to focus, but shit happens. Okay.
I'm just trying to stay alive and take care of my people.
Big turn up.
And
Right
they
leg.
have no award for that. Trophies.
Yes.
And they don't have no award for that. Shit don't come with trophies, ain't no envelopes to open. I just do it cause I'm smoking.
Rise up. Right? There's no reward for showing up for yourself every day. Nobody's gonna pat you on the back because you're sticking to a commitment you made to yourself. Okay? The reward comes later. You gotta think long game. Okay? Not this short-term shit. 3 down, 1 up, 2 push-ups. Make it legit. Low, lower, lowest. Press, press. Pushing and pulling. Your ass is back. Travel. 1, 2, 3. Push, push, middle. Left side, go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh man, we got another push. Have a seat, go. A little more resistance right here. Your breathing came down a little bit. Create space between your ears and your shoulders. 4, 3, 2, right. Raise up. Find it on the right. Your weight's back.
Hey, records on my demo. Did y'all boys not get the memo? I do not stay at the Intercontinental. And anything I got is not a rental.
I own that motherfucker.
Figure out the shit is simple.
I'm super bouncy and I own that too. Right? This is about accountability. I've learned that a lot in the last year. You find that you are responsible. There's no one else to blame for where you are, what you're doing, and what you're not doing. Back bar hold, no bounce. Good. This is an opportunity. Scan your body. Take a deep breath in. No bounce. Okay? Say today is the day I'm taking accountability. I got it. Alright. Drop down. Light it up. Go. A little faster. If you're over 100, if you're over 90, turn it up. Accountable. Okay, back on the beat. Right, left. We got 1 set, just down the middle. 3 down, 1 up, 2 push-ups. Let's go. Good. Find that neutral spine. Reach out, hold. Big turn up. Stay on the right. Okay, this is going to be really heavy. We have 2 really heavy songs. That's another beauty of Ratchet rides. We get those really thick, nasty, intense fills.
Yeah, bitch, make it nasty. Tongue down the throat while the other bitch gagging.
Yeah, don't forget. Big booty squeeze at the top.
Bitch, make it
Squeeze. Have a seat.
Oh, bend it over, make you touch your toes. I like how she married, go round, round the pole. Oh, open, close. I like when my bitch don't wear no clothes. Side up in this motherfucker, we grip below. Gangsters in this motherfucker, we got
Anyone who has those, that's the reason why they're on this good money.
Bitches they know, yeah, bitches they know. Nigga nasty, nigga nasty. Drop it on the bitch, make it nasty. Nigga nasty,
Good.
nasty.
Make it nasty, make it gritty. Say yes to it.
Nigga nasty.
And watch how it changes. When you say yes and run towards the things that scare you, rise up.
Yeah. Yeah, bitch, drop it on the. Yeah.
Reload.
Yeah.
Keep your ass back. So you make your arms long, and you're using your abs to keep you exactly where you need to be. Keep it going.
Yeah, nigga, I'm a star. Stacks on black, you can use the black card. Pull up, pop out, valet the car.
Last one. Have a seat, hold. Sit up tall.
I like blowjobs, she can be my employee.
Back it up.
Then I put it in her back door. Now it's lights out, like war. Jones, Junior, T-Raw the ruler. Stick it in the go back.
Hands wide, hold.
Rope till it's bruising. Dick on ponte. Gimme chocha. Kill it like
Four
OJ.
out.
Make it nasty. Make it nasty. Drop it on the bitch. Make it nasty. Make it nasty. Make it nasty. Pop it on the bitch. Make it nasty.
Feel it right. Come on.
Make it nasty.
More resistance.
Drop it on the bitch.
Say yes to it. Hold up.
Make it nasty. Make it nasty.
Reload.
Pop it on the bitch. Make it nasty. Yeah, bitch, make it nasty. Tongue down the throat while the other bitch gagging.
Come on, this fight is your stage.
Bitch, make it nasty.
Show off. We earn our swagger on this bike. So use it. Flex it. Have a seat. Hold.
Yeah,
You got it? One more turn.
yeah,
Point your knees straight ahead.
yeah.
Little twist.
Yeah, tap that ass, make it nasty.
Yeah. Beautiful. Right leg. Takes him down.
Why men great so they gotta be great?
Will you sing it with me, please?
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then I float, and that's the goddess in me.
I just took a DNA test and it told me I'm the realest pretty chocolate nigga out here with some good D. No cap, and I can have a bitch from Harvard with an 8-year degree. I'd probably still rather pull up with a hood. Now she wanna trip on me. I was doing my thing, she was backing it up, putting them hips on me. You know when your friend with the red hair was the time you was putting them lips on me. And now I just keep getting lips from me. But I know what to do, I put pink on.
Lock your hands.
Talk about the stuff that I do. But your friends wanna fuck with me too. And the way that you treat me, I wanna get even. I'm thinking like, what should I do? But I know how you move out of spite. She figure I probably might lose in a fight. And I'ma talk my shit, but I'm in love with a big fine ass. So I'ma do what she like. She told me,
Why men great till they gotta be
what you
great?
mean?
Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down and look for action. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bottom lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True first need something more exciting.
Hold it.
To break my heart, oh that breaks my heart. That you thought you ever had it, no you ain't from the start. Hey, I'm glad you're back with your bitch. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will never, ever be your side chick. I put the sing in single and everybody ring on my finger, so you can tell your friends, shoot your shot when you see 'em.
From the top, 4 counts. Let's press. Go.
Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down and look for armchair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos
Turn up again. Okay. Just fingertips. Hold back. Good. Left arm reach out. What do you want? Okay, manifest it right in front of you, right here, right now. Pull it to your heart. How's that other hand? Keep it light, now switch. More. You deserve more, give it to yourself. Pull it to your heart. Good. You gotta keep your butt back, you've got the resistance. I don't recommend this. If you don't feel safe, don't do it. Good. On the beat, here we go. Left, right, turn up. Have a seat, 2. Up. Last one. Hold it up. Side to side. Turn it up. Left hand back. Take it across. Switch, switch. Across. Yeah. 4 counts. Hit it. Switch. 2. Whoa. Reach out, hold. Good. One more turn. Your last hill. Have a seat, let's go. Probably not going to be able to go much faster. I can't even reach 60. Come on. Big fight, big push. You feel any achiness like in your low back or your knees? Take your resistance down. Breathe. Yes. Start to feel it back. Congratulations, you made it to your last song. Right or left leg. Quicken your pace. Engage your abs. Find the support you need here. And take a couple turns to the right. Two push-ups, one clap. Here we go.
But I got no time for that. How could you wish you never blame me? Had no time for that. Damn. Let me get my lady. Got no time for that. How could you move it like a
Right side, left push-ups. Go. Rise up. Keep dropping. Tap back. 2 press, 2 push. Come on. Have a seat, hold.
But I got no time for that. How could you wish you never blame me? Had no time for that. Damn. Let me get my lady. Got no time for that.
2 push-ups. 1 clap. Or across. Use your abs, control it. Oh, we're going again. Ass up, go. Yeah. You did it. Whew. Crazy good. Take all your resistance off. Sit up tall. Take a hand up. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Right? Give ourselves our own trophies. Our own awards. Okay. Please keep your legs moving. Get your heart rate down. When you're ready, you can start to stretch. Okay, one more deep breath in. Remember back when you were imagining how you looked, how you felt when you were finished with the ride? Does it align? Is it good? Can you remember it? Okay, for the next time. Okay, right here, your shoulder, driving the palm of your left hand towards the floor. Inhale, slowly exhale. Good. You should feel more confident, stronger, maybe not right now, maybe noodle arms or noodle legs. Definitely noodle legs. Good, hands behind your back. Open your chest, open your heart. Good. Okay, we unclip if you're ready. You still need to cool down. Honor yourself, honor your body, and take that time. Good. Really tall right here. So there was a time when I didn't work out regularly. I think that was even before I started running marathons and stuff. And oh man, I was gross. I was so insecure. I'm not talking physically, like I was just ugly on the inside because I compared myself to everybody else. I didn't feel good about myself. It was toxic. I was toxic. And then I started to exercise. And the more I did that, the more I was separated from, we'll call her Toxic Holly. And it was so incredible to see that when I did work out regularly, sure, yeah, my external changed, but so did my brain, my mind, my thoughts, right? What I focused on changed. I didn't have to worry about comparing myself to anybody else because I felt good about myself. I felt good about who I was. And when that lives from your mind, it's like you're in your own mental prison when you're feeling that insecure and unsure about yourself and who you are. So stay committed to this for more than just the physical, okay? Stay with this so that this is beautiful, okay? So let's finish in our power pose. Little bend in the knees. We are feeling sweaty, sexy, and fabulous. Take a deep breath in. Thank yourself for carving out this time for yourself. I thank you for carving out this time for yourself. I love riding with you guys. You are my oxygen. Let's take a deep breath in. Capture that good energy. Pull it to your heart. Keep it with you. Share it with others because maybe they're on that struggle bus. So show them a little love, a little support. Have a most amazing rest of your day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.